guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is the contest winners. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Alright guys, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. Alright, so about 2 weeks ago, I did a video, a gift basket video, and in there were a lot of giveaways. So today we're going to announce the winners. I know I was supposed to do it yesterday, but June had to go to the vet. She's fine. Matthew had to go to urgent care. He's not fine. He has strep throat. He's, and he feels really crap. He's got some kind of virus, not COVID. I always preface that. It's like, it's not COVID. Thank you, Jesus. But he's what I had a couple weeks ago or a couple months ago when I was in the ER as well with, just felt like crap. And it ended up being strep throat. So now he has it 2 months later. So I didn't give it to him. So we had a busy day yesterday and I apologize, but we're going to pick the winners today. As always, you guys have 24 hours to 48 hours. I'll give you 48 hours. 48 hours to reply to me. You must reply. My email is right here. Okay, DASIMONI14222@yahoo.com. Everyone misses that third too. And I'm going to put it here. It's going to be in the description box. How am I going to pick it? This is comment picker, so it's exactly the way I do all of my other giveaways. Makes it easy. And if you win something, then I am going to move on to the next person. I think it's just fair. So I'm going to go in the order which I do believe that I've showed. Unfortunately, I don't have my laptop in front of me, so I'm going by the description box, which I think I did go in order. So the first two are the Ana Luisa necklaces. The first one is going to be the Ursula Rouge, which is this one here. Sometimes I'll have to put pictures because a lot of it is already packed up ready to go. So this is the Ana Luisa Ursa Rouge. This is such a pretty necklace. I'll put a picture here because this doesn't do it justice, but I don't want to undo it in case y'all want to give it as a gift. These have never been worn or undone or anything like that. And then the next one is going to be Hannah. And Hannah is that mother of pearl that has the floral motif. Pick up here. Wants to pick up everything but that. So both beautiful. And they do still have Cyber Monday, Black Friday, Cyber Monday specials going on. So of course everything will still be listed in the description box as well. So let's go to the first, let's go to comment picker. I've got it all ready to go, and I'm just gonna hit start, and I really can't see until I turn it around. So there we go. Okay, so let's see. I can't see. Rhelda Estée. I added that lovely little thing there. So she loves those fabric gift bags too. I love them. I'm obsessed by them. So easy. So she won the first. Take a little snap here. Ursula Ana Luisa necklace. The next one will be for Hannah. Okay, so we're going to start again, and this is going to be for the Ana Luisa Hannah necklace. And that would be Amy Culler. She won the Hannah. So congratulations to both of you ladies. These will go out in the mail on Tuesday because I got to make sure I pack everything up. Well, they'll go out in the mail when you guys email me an address. That's kind of the gist of it. Okay, so with this City Beauty giveaway, we are doing the line smoothing mask. The Hydro Line Smoothing Mask, which I'm obsessed by. Skin Perfecting Daily Veil, which I wear on a daily basis. Yes, indeed. Right here. The lid treatment, again, twice a day. And an eye treatment that you all get to try. So there'll be 4 things in that giveaway. So all City Beauty products. and 3 are absolutely my gold standard, so I'd love to know how you guys feel about them. And pick a winner, so I'm just gonna click, and we're zipping through. And this is Carrie Spackman. Hi Carrie, yay! She's a long time subscriber. And let's see. She's right. She goes, I love the hydro mask after I dermaplane. Me too, y'all know that. You dermaplane, you put that hydro mask on. Love that. The next one is the NUFACE Mini with 2 of the City Beauty Hydro Line Smoothing Masks. Just because you've got to try these masks. And y'all know I'm obsessed by a microcurrent device. And I really love this one. This one's so pretty. Oh, and yes, this is how it's going. I'm just going to throw it in one of the pink little mailers and off it goes. So let me get back to comment picker. And yep. All right, here we go. For the... All right, here we go. Tina Merlot. Tina, yay! I do not think Tina's ever won anything, and she's like one of my longtime subscribers, so that makes me very, very happy. Hooray. So Tina, you won the, I mean, it makes me happy when you all win, but I just recognize I recognize subscribers that have been with me for years. So Tina, you won the NUFACE Mini with the City Beauty Line Smoothing Mask. Hooray, hooray. Okay, next. I think it's the lips, but I gotta go back and forth. Should have done it the way I did it before, which was have my iPad in here. My son's using it, so his germs were all over it. I don't want his germs. No, thank you. So let me see, hold on here a second. I literally don't know where I'm going. The lip gift basket. So that included the lip scrub brushes. I bought new ones, by the way. The City Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss. Y'all know how I feel about that. By the way, that is buy one, get one right now. So that link will be in the description box. Make sure you in fact, I think I'm gonna have to go and, because look, ooh, down to the bottom. I go through that because I use it all the time. The Estée Lauder Lip Repair Potion and the Estée Lauder Limited Edition Rebellious in the color Rebellious Rose in the pink limited edition case. So that is the giveaway, and let's go ahead and go back to comment picker. Here we go. And boom. So this is for the lip kit. And it is Rosemary Gomez. So Rosemary Gomez, congratulations. You won the lip kit. Gotta snap these. And then I think that was it, but you know me. Let me just double check because I want to make sure that I'm going in the correct order before I start anything new. And then it was the Grove basket. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so congratulations to all the winners. Please, please, please email me within 48 hours. I have to pick another winner, and I don't like doing that. Some favorites that I used as gift baskets that I can order directly from Amazon and ship directly to you. So what I'm going to do is pick 2 more winners. I'm going to send from Amazon that I did show in the gift giving basket creating video. It's just going to be a surprise. Okay, so I'm just hitting start here. And we have Christina Bowles. You have some good luck, girlfriend. I love it. So she won on my last one. Hey, here's the thing, y'all have a chance. All you gotta do is leave a comment. So I'm gonna send you a surprise, and we're gonna do one more. I'm gonna send you a surprise. Get back to here, get YouTube comments. I should have this down, I swear. Okay, last one, y'all. And Sophia says DIY. Ooh, I like that. Does she have a DIY page that I need to be following? I love DIY. So yes, so y'all will get a surprise from me, and it's gonna come from Amazon. And I will say that it may come separately, like meaning, you know, because I'm gonna do a couple things, and so then it may come separate. So you know how Amazon works. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, well, congratulations to all the winners. Again, 48 hours, you guys, 48 hours. So today, this will go up tonight, Saturday night. By Monday night, if I have not heard from you, I'm gonna pick another winner. Don't make me do that. Do not make me do that. And FYI, this week, I will have the home tour up. I'm filming that next. And also, my health journey, where we are with that, what's been going on. Can't tell you the whole story, but I can tell you the story about that and what's going on, and where I'm at. So those, oh, and the fashion. Oh, so excited about some of the fashion that's coming in. I will be doing, between this week and next week, a Get Ready With Me holiday look, as well as a holiday lookbook as well. And then also that device that I've been raving about, the Luxamax. Oh, yes. So if not this week, next week, I'm going to tell you all about that device and how much I have been loving it. I did it on my husband's face this morning. He's like, ooh, what does this do? It feels so good. And I'm like, don't even get used to it. Do not get used to it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy videos and videos like this, I hope you enjoy giveaways. Give it a thumbs up. It is always helpful. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.